Okay, class, picking up where we left off at, we had the 2014 taxpayer receipt that shows all of the values that our taxes are going to the federal government. Okay, now we will go over to the next page, to problem number 6. It says here, if you paid $6,500 in federal taxes in 2014, how much of your money went to education and job training? So what we would need to do is go to this sheet here and look at education and job training. It says it's 3.59%. So we would take the 6,500 and multiply it by 3.59%, but we would first change it to a decimal, and it will give us $233.35. Now, number 7. It says in 2014, the president paid $93,362 in federal taxes. How much of his money went to national defense? So we'll go back to the chart. National defense is 23.91%. So we would take the $93,362 and multiply it by 23.91% as a decimal. Once we multiply these in our calculator, it gives us $22,322.85. And that's how much of his taxes went to the national defense. Now, according to our syllabus, we're supposed to go on to page 288 to 295 and pick one or two of those problems. So we're going to go over to page 288, and we're going to take a look here. This is an example of, it says the next page is a copy of the 1040 EZ form for 2014, and we'll practice filling out the form. But first, we should discuss how you get the information about your income. For many folks, this will come from two sources: a W-2 form, which we have here, which reports your wages, and a 1099 interest form, which is here, which reports interest income. Now, when we go to page 289, I'm just going to pick this first 1040 EZ form. And what we're going to do, we're going to use what's on page 288 for the income and the interest. So, with that being said, we are going to fill in this form. We're not going to fill out the top part, but we're going to start with the wages, salary, and tips. Now, when you go over here, you all could put this next to you. When you go over here to this form here for the wages are here. So it'll be $58,584 and also 78 cents. Now, they're asking for taxable interest. Now, if we go down here, our interest is $749 and $749.36. Now, they ask us for unemployment compensation. We don't have that. But then we have line 4, add lines 1, 2, and 3. This is your adjusted gross income, which would be $59,334.14. Now, we come down here to number 5. It says, if someone can claim you or your spouse if a joint return as a dependent, check the applicable boxes below and enter the amount from the worksheet on back. If no one can claim you or your spouse, enter $10,150 as single, $20,300 if married filing jointly, and then see back for explanation. So, you can claim yourself, and then you could put down the $10,150. Okay, now, it says for number 6, subtract line 5 from line 4. So, we would subtract these, and we would get $49,184.14. Now, you have earned income credit. Now, we do not have the earned income credit. Oh, actually, we need to look at the federal income tax withheld, from Form W-2. Now, from the W-2 form, it tells us the federal income tax withheld is $8,941. $8,941.46. Now, the earned income credit, we don't have that. They also talk about the non-taxable combat election. We don't have that, but we go to number 9. It said add line 7 and 8A. These are your total payments and credits. So when we add those values up, it would give us $8,941.46. So number 10, our tax. Our tax, it says, use the amount on line 6 above to find your tax in the tax table in the instructions. Then enter the tax from the table on this line. Now, I'm not sure if the tax is not listed here. So the tax for number 10, it would be $8,152.29. Now the health care, we don't have to worry about that. For number 11, number 12, we will add those two lines together. It'll be $8,152.29. And then for 13A, it says if line 9 is larger than line 12, subtract line 12 from line 9. And then that would give us $789.17. And then we are done with the rest of this tax return, because all the rest of the things on here is things you would fill out, like for your address and signature and everything, and we're not doing that right now.